Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In this class I am going to teach simple fish inventory shop app using Android Studio. Let us show the demo first. Here this is the demo. 1 kilo price should be 140 rupees. So let me calculate as a 500 grams. Click here. This is a 500 gram price. Now if you want to go to the kilo, 2 kilo I am going to calculate it. Here 2, click OK, it's a 2 kilo price. If you are calculate as a 10 kilo, this is a 10 kilo price, right? How to make this app step by step, let me see, right? First what I am going to do is, first I am going to open the Android new project, give the project application as fish inventory, right? Okay, here click next, click empty activity, next, finish. Now you have to wait until the process completed. Now here it's opened this app here. Now here first what I am going to see, I am design the this one, right? UI I am going to design. So this is the app folder. Here this is RS folder. Inside the RS folder we have a layout folder. Inside the layout folder we have a file called activity.xml. Here we are going to design the app, right? So let's double click on this one, go to the text. Here I am going to change it as constant layout. I am going to change it as linear layout. This is the first stuff I am going to do is. Here this is a match parent, keep that option, don't change anything else. Here you have to change the option, another thing. So orientation you have to make it as vertical. Another things we have to make it as gravity center. Okay, then only the app should be center, right? Like this, the text should be center. You have to make it like this, right? Then I don't need this one. Here what I am going to do is, here I am going to place the linear layout code, right? I don't need to write again by again. I already written this codes my previous tutorial. I have already taught the same design. I just copy and paste it, right? I already made this one, so we are right. Cannot see the copy. I just pasted it here, right? Right, the design is there. Now here the same thing I have did here is, after that I have created another linear layout. Inside the linear layout I have to put it this one here, Android layout with wrap text, wrap content, height wrap content, orientation I would make it as vertical, gravity, Android gravity center, right? Inside the linear layout you have to make the text view. This is the heading of the text view. This is the Android heading, right? After done the heading, this heading, after that I have to done here is this one should be the quantity. You have to quantity. This is this one fish text. We have to change this one as a measurement, right? So we have to select this one. You have to change this one as a here we have to change this one. Not name, measurement. This is a measurement, right? Measure, right? Okay. Now here this one should be the quantity, second one should be the quantity, not fish. It's a text quantity. You have to change the text, right? This is the thing we have to do. Here when the user select the option, right? This one should be the snippet tool, right? Here is a code, snippet tool. Inside linear layout, this is snippet tool code, right? Very simple. This is the heading. Inside the heading linear layout. This linear layout here change. This one a text. This one should be a snippet. This is the two things. After that, another linear layout I have designed. Here I have text view and edit text, right? After that I have designed another linear layout. Inside here I have put it one button. After that, the button we have to put the text view after the edit text, right? We have to design like this, right? This simple app I have created. Now let's go to the main activity. You can check here this one. Here main activity. I just go to this one, right? Go to the main activity. We have to go to here, double click on this one. Here we have to put it here, this snippet, the same variable, Control C to copy, Control D to paste here above. After that what I am going to do is, here we have to put it here. This is the one. This is all the stuff we have to copy. What's the name you are given here? So all the stuff you have to copy. don't worry about it, I explain it. Right. Here the thing is we have to change. This one should be the ID we have to change. We have to ID, Android ID. Here text to this heading. This is the ID. We have to put this SP ID. After that, the second ID should be this one. We have changed as a quantity. We have changed this ID quantity. Android ID. Right. That's the thing. Here also we have changed that. This one should be the quantity. ED1 quantity. Right. Okay. This one should be taught. Right. Here, what I did here is we have to create the three variables here. Right. This is the snipper variable, this is the edit text, this is the button variable. You have to get them here. Find view by ID r.id.text. What is the ID you are given in the activity main.xml of the snipper and text box as well? All the ID you are receiving here, right? After that, we have to load the snipper tool. So we have to, what is the data you have to load? Kilogram and gram. So we have to create the array and put into this here, right? After the adapter, we have to load. This is the adapter we have to load, put into this measure here. After that, put it, call into the set adapter here. Okay. After the button, after that button click. Inside the button click, I have written if item, what is the item you are selected here from here kilogram or gram, it assigned to this item variable. Quantity, what is the quantity you are given here. First, after that, we have to check if item equal kilogram. If you select this kilogram, calculate this one. I have 1 kilo. I have written here 1 kilo price 140. So what is the quantity you are entered on this app here? What is the quantity you entered here? It passing to this variable. It's calling here. It is calculating, right? So same calculating in passing to the ed.to text box here. Ed.to text box means this one, right? That is the stuff kilo here. If it is, if the user select as a gram, here you just imagine, assume that 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram, 1000 kilogram, 1 kilogram 1000 grams. So we have the same calculation you apply here. 1 kilogram 1 gram 1000 kilograms. So you have to divide by the what is the quantity you are 1000 and 1 kilo price. That is the calculation you are did here. Very simple one. This is the app I did here. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. I have we have to check here. We have using the Genymotion virtual. We have to download from the internet for free. This is a very free edition. So Genymotion personal use, right? Very simple. You have to wait until the process completed. The grid is building, right? Now it's alright. Now build it successfully. Now here it's right. Now here simply. Now you have to, I need 3 colors. Click OK. Here it's working fine. If you are going to purchase 500 grams, 500 grams price, right? It's working perfectly well. You must try it while doing the program. If you get any problem, you just tell me. I will solve it. Thank you for watching.